Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and on the mill behind me is I have a nice white pine on there. We'll go through the specs on that for here in a minute. But if you recall in the video recently, I mentioned about people will show up with logs. Literally today, my wife and I are sitting inside the house eating lunch, and check this out. I see a road commission vehicle. I probably shouldn't say that. I see an orange dump truck pull into my lumber yard. And time I got out here, they were already gone. But look what they delivered. That's a nice cedar log there. A little punk in it. Two little cedar logs here. Looks like they cut down some ash too. They threw a couple logs in there. I'm not going to mill those, obviously, but like I said, you will get logs when you have a mill and people find out about them. The guy, he ended up getting a hold of me. He said he just wants a couple of boards, 1-inch boards, so that's cool with me. All right, let me show you what we have on here. This mill is just about warmed up, and we'll go from there. So this video is going to be how I map out a log, and then we're going to cut it and see if we get what we need. I need a 2x8 because I screwed that order up a couple weeks ago, and I'm going to make some 2x4s because everybody needs 2x4s. I don't have a plan for these 2x4s yet. I mean, other than just my own projects. However, it's nice to have 2x4s around. So I do have a nice little pile of them, and I'm going to turn these into 2x4s or nominal store-bought dimensions, 1.5 by 3.5. So let's see how big this is, and we're going to decide how. All right, it's going to be about 17 inches. 17 inches inside the bark. 17 inch. Remember, if we multiply that by 0.707, just multiply it by 0.7, a 10 inch. So you can actually do some quick math here. 0.7 times 10 is 7-inch cant, right? 20 would be 14-inch cant. Well, this is less than 20, but it's almost, we know we're going to get better than a 10.5-inch cant. So it's going to be closer to a 12-inch cant. And let's see what the paper, I have a cheat sheet here. If you're interested in this, I will get it to you. Let's see, a 17-inch cant is exactly 12. Let's see, this log's probably 9 foot long, 10 foot long. Let's call it a 10-foot log. And we're looking at probably 106 board feet, somewhere around there. I don't know. Yeah, it is probably close to 10 inches long, or 10 feet long. How I'm going to map this out, though. What did I say? We can get a 12. I would love if 11.5 would give me, if I can get 11-inch cant, that would give me 3 cants with no problem at 3.5 inches. If I can get a 14.5-inch cant, that will leave that will leave me 4 cants, but I'm going to have waning on the top and bottom. Let's see what it looks like. So if we can get a 14-inch cant. So I'm going to 17. Let's go down 1.5 inches. And let's come up 1.5 inches. Obviously, this is just going to be rough, guys. All right. I like that. Now, remember, I need a 2x8 as well. But we're going to come down 3.5 inches now. Let's do it this way. Let's go up 3.5. Let's go to 7 1/8. Let's go to 10. Okay, that's not 14 inches though. So we're actually going to have to come down a little bit further here. Okay, it's pretty close actually. So then the last one will be These lines aren't to scale. They're just for representation purposes only here. Hopefully you can see these lines. All right, I'm going to get 4 cants out of it. So we're going to get a cant here, a cant here, cant here, and a cant here. How many 2x4s am I going to get approximately? All right, 10. And this is going to be 2, 4, 8, 10, 12. Is that right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we're going to get 10, 20, 5, 30. We're going to get, I think, 30 2x4s, but I'm going to take my 2x8 off this end right here. It's going to be 7.5. So the first thing I'm going to do, so I think we're going to get 30 minus, we're going to probably get about 28 2x4s and 1 2x8. Let's see how close we are. When it comes to mapping, the guy who's really good at this is William Profit. Check out his channel. If I remember, I'll put a link in the description. Pirate Solutions, William Profit at Pirate Solutions. He's got a Norwood, I believe an HD 38. I'm not 100% sure what mill he has. He's just got all the hydraulics on it. Pretty nice mill. So let's see what happens. We have 3 cants. I'm sorry, 4 cans. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to make my first cut here, flip it over, make my second cut down here. And then we'll see what we get. Then I'll flip it up, get my 2x8, slab that off, come down and get my 2x8. Then we'll come back and cut those cants. We're all set up. We have it mapped out. I think we look like we're doing pretty good. What did I say, 28? That seems like a lot out of this log, but we'll see. Maybe I did. We'll see. It's going to be close. Before we get started, guys, I want to thank all the new subscribers. We've had a lot of them come on board lately. The channels have been experiencing some growth. We actually just went over 6,000, and I'd never thought we'd ever be here. This was never my intention with the Sawmill creating a YouTube channel that started getting popular. Hey, we're growing. So be it. So thanks for coming along. Thanks for subscribing. And to all the new subscribers, I hope you're enjoying the content. The turner's working good. Everything's lined up. We're going to get this going. Mill's working. I sure hope you can hear me. I never hit the record button. Hopefully the other camera was able to pick up some of the mic'd over stuff. If not, I will mic it over. Here I get all the cants cut up, and then I'm going to turn them up and include the 2x8 as well and edge them and start making our boards here. I've already edged one side of the 2x8. We're going to just set that off to the side and we'll finish that at the end. Now we just start dropping down 1.5 inches at a time, and every time we go through, we'll be getting 4 2x4s. The first couple here will have some waning on them, and we knew that was going to be the case. But I believe we're going to get close to our 28, guys. This is where it would be nice to have a mill with a deeper throat. So I could just leave all these 2x4s on the mill and pick them up with the tractor. Here I have to hand shovel each pile of them. We can only go about 7 inches at a time. All right, we just have that 2x8 now. I haven't counted these up yet, but I think we're close. Can you say hi to him? Do you see the camera?
No.
So, that's it right there, the phone. And then that camera right there. Can you say hi to it? He's a good sawyer. It's just sawdust, isn't it? Let's turn towards the camera. You sit right up here. Come here, crew. Hey, guys. It turned out really... You got a little cough, don't you?
Yeah.
Turned out really well. We ended up with 28 2x4s, just like we thought, and the 1 2x8. And the grandkids just showed up as we were finishing up. What do you guys think? Was it fun?
Yeah.
What do you like best about it? You're not sure? Where's Spider-Man? Oh, he's in the house?
Yeah.
Crew, how was your day today at our house? Nah, he's a little shy. So guys, that'll do it. Thanks for coming along. I'll give you a view of these boards here in a second, and that'll do it for today. Take care. We'll see you at the mill next time. What's it look like, Raylan?
A sand.
Looks like sand?
Yeah.
Put some in your pocket and take it home.
This is cute. Thank you. Get it for me for
These two have waning on them, but I said 28 and we got 28, guys. All looks pretty nice, actually. Look how straight that is. All right, guys, we'll see you at the mill next time. Over and out.